Hi, I'm Gaurav. So I'm a doctor. I'm a pediatrician. I work in the UK, but I'm based out of Coog. So I came to know about Ammyfied Customs through the Gypsy page that's there on Facebook, and then that's how I spoke to my friend Bhargav, who took the initiative to talk to Eman and see what kind of a Gypsy he could make to our catering. And yeah, it is here now, finally delivered on the right time. Thank you, Eman, for giving it to me when I did come back from the UK. So we went for a drive just now. It drives really well. Thank you so much. I think I'll be able to give a better review as I drive the vehicle a little more over the next few months. I'll definitely come back and give you a review, and I'm sure it's going to be a good one. And yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.